The Regional Annual Administrative Tactical Inspection is an undertaking which was initiated and religiously implemented by the 7th Infantry Division and 3rd Regional Community Defense Group to all ROTC units in the entire region, purposely to determine the degree of training attained by respective ROTC units and to evaluate the degree of implementation of the mission and vision of the different ROTC units in collaboration with the mission and vision of the university where they belong.
Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the ROTC 2025, Colonel George M. Bergonia, Infantry Golden Army, together with the Commandant of Infantry ROTC, Marcelo and Batres Studio.
D-Day, hello, welcome to Master Ipong TV. Ito na po ang D-Day natin ng RAATI 2025 ng Arroyo University PINMA ROTC unit. Ayan. So, ready na po kami sa D-Day. Ito na po ang ating colonel.
Dalaw na tayo.
Oh, darating yung sir. Darating sila. D-Day. Sila, tumatakbo. Ito na po ang mga commandant ng different schools, commandant ng Wesleyan, commandant ng Arroyo. Sama na po natin dito sa ating Nest Oval. Live na live po tayo sa Master Ipong TV. Yan na po ang ating mga ROTC unit. Yan. Sila. Ako na. Sama na sila sa kanilang hanay. Naghihintay na lang po kami ngayon ng pagdating ng ating pong mga RAATI team at ready na po ang Arroyo University PINMA ROTC unit sa ating pong taunang inspection, tactical inspection ngayong araw na ito. Ready na po kami. Ayan lang po. Kasama po natin ang ating pong commandants ng different schools ng ating pong RAATI. So ano po bang ibig sabihin ng RAATI? Ito po ROTC Annual Administrative and Tactical Inspection. Yan po ang ating pong gagawin ngayon. Ito po ang aming stage. Ganda po ng ayos. Ang ating stage. Ayan po. Dami po. Lahat po yan ay kadete ng ating pong Arroyo University PINMA. Sila.
For 60 years. It was in 1986 when the supervision was transferred to 3rd Home Defense Unit of the Army Reserve Command, now known as the 3rd Regional Community Defense Unit. Finally, in 1991, the PINMA Arroyo Unit was placed under the control of the 1st Community Defense Center under 3rd RCDG Reserve Command with the Philippine Station of General Tino. The unit's mission is to develop, organize, train, and administer cadets so that each graduate shall possess the basic military knowledge, skills, and character diligence in the progressive pursuit of the chosen of the ROTC Annual Administrative and Tactical Inspection.
Good morning. Per the Headquarters Philippine Army Standard Operation Procedure regarding the ROTC Annual Administrative and Tactical Inspection for calendar year 2025, I hereby assume the command and control of the FINMA Aurelio University ROTC unit effective today.
Read na. Timing yan.
The program of Reserve Officer Training Corps remains as the primary source of manpower for the Reserve Force, which is organized to compose the reserve units of each political district or provinces. This is maintained by the respective community defense centers under the regional community defense groups of the Reserve Command Philippine Army. This program was institutionalized under Section 38 and 39 of Republic Act 7077, otherwise known as the Reservist Act of 1991. This law was designed to provide military training to tertiary level students for defense preparedness.
Ganda. Ngayon ay banda. Ngayon pala ay banda. Ngayon ay banda. Oo. May ano yan eh, dramatic entrance. Ngayon pa lang. Kasama yun sa kanilang practice. Ayan na. Sisignan na yan. Isa pa eh, isa pang ganun eh. Pass and review eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness the scintillating pride of the FINMA Aurelio University ROTC unit. The Cadet Corps as they perform the ceremonial parade.
Ayun, ayun na sila. Yan ay bande.
attention call has been sounded, signaling the start of the parade.
Buti pumayag ko ang tom, hiniram mo. Ikaw ma, mayroon mo yan? Yan. Ay, paano kung may program kami sa 8? Hindi mo mayroon.
Wala silang ganon. Yan na.
The Republic Act 9163, also known as the National Service Training Program or NSTP Act of 2001, was implemented in school year 2002 to 2003. Under this law, the ROTC program was made optional for all freshman students, both male and female. With the three components of the NSTP, the Civic Welfare Training Service, the Literacy Training Service, and the Reserve Officer Training Corps. A student may choose one as a requisite for graduation in baccalaureate or 2-year technical vocational courses in public and private institutions. The PINMA Aurora University ROTC unit was activated on 07 June 1956 and was under the supervision and control of the defunct Philippine Constabulary for 16 years and thereafter by the Philippine Army. Since 1986, the PINMA Aurora University ROTC unit had been under the supervision of the 3rd Home Defense Unit of the Army Reserve Command. In 1991, PINMA Aurora University ROTC unit was placed under the supervision and control of the 301st Nueva Ecija Community Defense Center, 3rd Regional Community Defense Group, Reserve Command Philippine Army, stationed at Camp Brigadier General Manuel B. Tino, Cabanatuan City, with Colonel Marcelo F. Valdez Jr., Infantry General Staff Corps Philippine Army, as the current Director and Commandant. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the members of the Cadet Corps of PINMA Aurora University ROTC unit.
Ginagawa namin siya yun doon sa tinatawag na common module, yung 25 hours.
Hindi, iba pa yun, mami ko. Tapos sila mamili sa mag-advocacy kayo. Yung parang yung nag-record kayo. Lahat ng
actually, sir, ang ginagawa namin ito saya. Kasi nung nag-ano lang ako dito sa Islaya, wala sa...
The adjutant designates Alpha Company as the base company.
Yan na si adjutant.
In a brisk manner called the adjutant's truck, the adjutant takes his post between the line of troops and the troop commander.
Usually, sir, ang ginagawa nila dati, see-watch lang. Pero yung advocacy na sinasabi na dapat siguro approval na approve. 25 hours na kayo ang module. So parang nangyayari, yung in-invite namin na taga-Nika, nililecturean din niya, kasama po yung NSC, kasama yung CWAT. Tapos nag-introduce din kami ng program ng ROTC. Ito ba, training nila, pagka nag-advance sila. Yun sa yung ginagawa namin doon. So iba pa sa'yo, kung halimbawa magkakampaign pa kayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are now witnessing the platoon leaders as they execute the dressing. This is to ensure that all the elements of each platoon are aligned with each other.
Yung siwat, sinasabihan na sila, ibibilag kayo sa angka. naggaganyan-ganyan kayo.
After the dressing, the adjutant directs the guides to occupy their post.
Positive na maibigay sa kanya, like yung leadership mo, yung teacher mo, yung discipline mo, dapat yan ang positive natin.
Ladies and gentlemen, passing before us are the members of the 7th Installation Management Battalion Marching Band, headed by their band commander, Sergeant Dan Joseph Z. Vargas, Corps of Engineer, Philippine Army, with Cadet First Class Julian L. Ramos, the band officer. Once again, the members of the 7th Installation Management Battalion Marching Band.
Tagan mo yung ano ha? Maganda. Yung nandang mag-direct yan.
Ah, pwede. Pwede manalo yan eh.
We will request everyone to please rise for the Philippine National Anthem. The adjutant faces about, salutes to his troop commander. Sir, the troops are now ready.
Kayo yung pinakauna. So ngayon, number 1 kayo ngayon. So ngayon, number 1 sila.
Bukas number 2. Ay, sa Martes pa ba? Punta rin kami sa Wesleyan ah.
May pasok nga yun eh.
Paano yan? Hindi ba tayo mag-restore ko?
Ipapabakante po yung ano. Nag-resource naman na po yung coordinator ng ROTC coordinator. Sa school na bakante ulit yung
May film.
kasi po parking yun, parking po ng mga sasakyan.
We will request the chairman of RATT for the presentation of commands and honors. Please, sir, we will request everyone to please rise.
Documentation.
Thank you, sir. We may now be seated. Right shoulder arms.
Shooting the line. Kumanda lang.
Left shoulder arms. And finally, order arms. The battalion commander now directs the adjutant to receive the report. The adjutant faces about, salutes to the troop commander, and renders, "Sir, the troops are all present and accounted for." The battalion commander directs him to publish the orders of the day.
So, nandito sila lahat. So, pinag-isa na pala dito. Pero paano yan sa training? Kanya-kanya role. Kanya-kanya
Pag Wednesday sila dito, yung main. Ay, pag Sabado sila dito, yung main. Wednesday.
Pupunta rin kayo naman. Training. Main dito, yung sa ano naman. Pakita yun yun.
High school din siya.
High school na. Pero lahat
Ladies and gentlemen, marching towards the grandstand are the members of the Cadet Corps of Pinma Arroyo University ROTC Unit. Let us witness them as they render a salute to their troop commander. Once again, the officers of the Cadet Corps of the Pinma Arroyo University ROTC Unit.
Ibig sabihin siya, ngayon na sila nag-meet siya. Nag-meet ko kayo ang ganda. Music lang yan sila.
The troop commander now orders his troops to pass in review. The mission of the Pinma Arroyo University ROTC Unit is to train and develop college students in the rudiments of military service in order to produce capable reservists and future reserve officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Its vision is to become an ROTC unit that is a source of the school's pride. Pinma Arroyo University ROTC Unit Cadet Corps is composed of 1,183 male and 475 female advanced and basic cadets who came from all walks of life in the 27 municipalities and 5 cities of Nueva Ecija. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now meet our paraders. Corps Commander, Cadet First Class Adrian Javier. Corps XOS3, Cadet First Class King Ivan Galvez. Corps Adjutant, Cadet First Class Denmark Parangan. Corps S2, Cadet First Class Althea Valdez. 4S4, Cadet First Class John Rora Tubungo. 4S7, Cadet First Class Rosemary Nando. The members of the 7th Installation Management Battalion Band. Alpha Company Commander, Cadet First Class Warley Mata. The 1st Platoon Leader, Cadet 3rd Class Merwin Diamonte. The 2nd Platoon Leader, Cadet 3rd Class Jaber Arellano. May we request everyone to please rise for the colors. Bravo Company Commander, thank you. You may now be seated. Bravo Company Commander, Cadet 2nd Class Erich Mariel Torres. Company Executive Officer, Cadet 2nd Class Princess Navarro. 1st Platoon Leader, Bravo Company, Cadet 3rd Class Denise Zaira P. Mariano. 2nd Platoon Leader, Bravo Company, Cadet 3rd Class Hannah Michelle Sagud. The ROTC cadets are being trained to become future leaders of the country. Sense of patriotism and nationalism are being inculcated to them. Importance of physical fitness is also one of the emphases in their training. Through ROTC, discipline and time management are acquired. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Corps of Cadets of PINMA Arroyo University ROTC Unit. Let us give them a round of applause.
Dapat malapit ka na.
Tanggal ka ng guantes. Hindi na naman tanggal ng guantes. Din mo naman ito tayo na.
Thank you, sir. request everyone to please rise for the exit of colors.
Iba yung kulay ng damit nito. Kapas lang.
Balot! Ito! No! Pasulong! God!
Thank you. You may now be seated.
Uwe, deep eh.
Sir, kaya kumain na kayo, sir?
Oh.
Sana all, naka-buffet. Ano ulam dun, sir?
Di.
Ganun lang din, sir.
Kaya lang, nakabuffet lang.
Joke lang. Joke!
Sir, 5 plebo daw po.
Naglilinis lang.
Meron lang isang nakaligtaan. I think may konting kulang sa bulletin. So, yun lang. For the arrival honors, out of 50 allocated points, you garnered or you earned 50. Perfect.
Yo!
Ceremonial parade, we allocated 150. May konting discrepancy lang because of the alignment ng first and second element, but you garnered 149.
Yo!
Our basic cadets, Main Campus, South Campus, and San Jose Campus, thank you all for having been a part of the
Ano po sila? Ayaw oh. Ayaw oh.